Hello friend, if you want to learn anything faster, English speaking, a new skill, studies, business or even the stock market, then was this till the end because today I am going to share a simple but powerful trick that can completely change the way you learn. Most people believe that learning fast depends on intelligence. They say, my brain is weak, I am a slow learner, or I can't remember things. But the truth is, the problem is not your brain. The real problem is the way you learn. If your method is wrong, no matter how hard you work, the result will be slow. Let me ask you one question. When you want to learn something, what do you usually do? You watch videos, read books, or listen to lecture. This feels productive, but in the reality, this is called passive learning. In passive learning, your brain is relaxed. It is just receiving information, not using it. That is why you forget most of what you study. If you really want to learn faster, you have to change one thing. You must shift from passive learning to active learning. Active learning means focus your brain to work. One of the best way to do this is technique called active recall. Instead of reading again and again, close the book or pause the video and try to remember what you just learned. Even if you fail, that struggle makes your brain stronger. For example, if you are learning English, don't just read sentence. Read one sentence, close the book and try to speak it without looking. If you are learning any theory, ask yourself question like why does this work or how can I explain this in simple word. When your brain searches for answer, learning become faster and deeper. And another powerful trick is learning in short focused season. Many people say they study for 3 or 4 hours, but in reality their focus lasts only 10 minutes. The rest of the time goes into checking the phone, scrolling social media, or thinking about something else. This is kills learning speed. The situation is simple. Study for 25 minutes with full focus, then take a 5-minute break. During those 25 minutes, keep your phone away and focus on only one task. This method keep your brain fresh and sharp. You will learn more in 25 focused minutes than in 2 district hours. This is there is one more secret that fast learner use. They teach what they learn. If you can explain something in your own word, it means you truly understand it. You don't need a real student. You can teach an imaginary person, talk in front of a mirror, or even explain it aloud to yourself. This technique builds confidence and remove confuse. For example, after learning something new, say I will explain this as if I am a teacher. When you do this, you will quickly notice the gaps in your understanding. Then you can fix them immediately. This is one of the faster way to master any topics. Another mistake people make is trying to learn everything in one day. They study for long hours and expect magic result, but the brain does not work like that. Real learning happens through repetition over time. This is called spaced repetition. Instead of studying one topic for hour in a single day, revise it for a few minutes over several days. This helps the information move into long term memory. Breaking big goals into small part also makes learning faster. When you think I have to learn English, your brain feels pressure. But when you say today I will learn 5 sentences, the task feels easy. Small step reduce fear and increase consistency, and consistency is the real key to fast learning. One more important point is avoiding multitasking. Studying well, checking messages, listening to music, or watching TV reduce learning speed drastically. Your brain can focus properly on only one thing at a time. If you want fast result, give your full attention to a single task. Finally, remember this: fast learning is not about studying more, it is about studying smart. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Even 20 minutes every day done in the right way can change your life. If you change your method, stay patient and practice daily, you can learn anything faster than you ever imagined. Believe in the process, trust yourself, and never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.